Hello everyone. In today's class, we will discuss about the various types of efficiencies in steam power plant. We know that a steam power plant continuously converts the energy stored in fuel into shaft work and ultimately convert into electricity. The working fluid is water, which sometimes in liquid phase and sometimes in vapor phase during its cyclic process. Energy released by the burning fuel is transferred to the water in boiler B to generate steam at a high pressure and high temperature, which then expand in turbine T to a low pressure to produce shaft work. The steam leaving the turbine is condensed into water in condenser where cooling water from a river or sea circulates, carrying away the heat released during condensation process. The water or condensate water is then fed back to the boiler by the pump P, and the cycle goes on repeating continuously. This is the another schematic diagram. Here clearly we can see that 1 to 2 is steam turbine, 2 to 3 is condenser, 3 to 4 is pump, and again 4 to 1 is boiler or boiling process. So a steam power plant is a bulk energy converter from fuel to electricity. And in a steam power plant, there is various types of efficiencies we should consider, and one of them is overall efficiency. The overall efficiency of a power plant depends on the efficiencies of the boiler, turbine, alternator, and the cycle efficiency of the power plant. The heat produced due to burning of coal is not fully utilized for generating electrical energy because there are heat loss in boiler, turbine, and mechanical and electrical losses in the turbine. The overall thermal efficiency of the steam power plant is given by this formula. That is overall efficiency equal to power available at generator terminals divided by the rate of energy released by the combustion of fuel. So eta overall equal to MWE into 1000, that is megawatt electric into 1000 divided by WF into CV, where WF is fuel burning rate and CV is calorific value of the fuel. Another efficiency is boiler efficiency. The thermal efficiency of boiler is defined as the ratio of heat actually utilized by water in generation of steam to the heat supplied during the combustion of fuel. So we can write that boiler efficiency equal to rate of energy absorption by water to form steam divided by rate of energy release by combustion of fuel. Also we can write that boiler efficiency equal to Ws into H1 minus H4 divided by Wf into Cv, where Ws is steam generation rate and H1 and H2 are the enthalpies. The major portion of heat produced during combustion of fuel is utilized to heat the feed water for conversion into steam, but some portion of heat produced is lost in flue gases leaving the chimney, and some amount of heat is lost due to radiation from furnace to outside. The boiler efficiency is nearly 75% without heat recovery equipment, and it varies from 85 to 90 with heat recovery equipment. Now the cycle efficiency of the plant is equal to W net divided by Q in, and W net we know that W turbine minus W pump. If we neglect the pump work, then efficiency of cycle is equal to H1 minus H2 divided by H1 minus H4. Now another efficiency is mechanical efficiency of the turbine, that is equal to brake output of turbine divided by internal output of turbine that is equal to brake output divided by Ws into H1 minus H2, where Ws is steam generation rate. Now another efficiency is the generator efficiency of the electric alternator is equal to electric output at generator terminals divided by brake output of the turbine. Now, when we multiply all the efficiencies like boiler efficiency, cycle efficiency, mechanical turbine efficiency, and generator efficiency, we will get our final efficiency, that is overall efficiencies. There are certain auxiliary equipment in the power plant like FD and IT fans, pulverizer, crusher, conveyor, and so on, which are driven by the electricity taken from the generated power of the plant. So the net power transmitted from the generator will be the gross power produced minus the power consumed by the internal auxiliaries of the plant. So the efficiency of the auxiliaries is eta AUX is equal to net power transmitted by the generator divided by the gross power produced by the plant. So our overall efficiency of the plant is equal to eta boiler multiplied by eta cycle into eta turbine into eta generator into eta auxiliary. And in modern power plant, the typical efficiency of boiler is 92%, cycle efficiency is 44%, mechanical turbine efficiency is about 95%, generator efficiency is 93%, and auxiliary efficiency is 95%. So overall efficiency of the plant is about 34%.